Ove sa bo. Ove sa ba. Oseke. Wera ma bijeme. Oseke. Sasa no bira sasa no bije. Uru no ginye bo na na etu bia etu ko etu wa ya fefe ya keke no wale ya je. Etu apa no reko. Emidio mebe ko, emidio mebe wegbe no jamais la dia. Bedene na tie neboti on the 22 November 2020. Emi kakabori o mebe ko because okpe ni make no, be ni make su, okpe ni make ka magbo ya we ni idio bo ba magbe etin na ewi mani ya ama. Bo madoge egbe bi na use ogi. Emi no ikakabo wari o mebe we ko na we ba na miewe isan retin na. Oge bụ onye mati Nigeria eweri ma ebuji mani ana mi ego bokpa isa enije wokuji ebe oni ima understand obira me biji me imu pa ge mu gberege ona si na do mi ewe irigbo na te po mu yan wi anya pa ibi jo bana be te po mu yan wi anya pa bu da we mi ni amie because yan mi o ewe ni etikugbe Oga do boku gbe eseti di ene ya soto abikobi no ya hiana because I wear igbero. Ota ni memure na bifeke wi han nota na ma no gizebu na ne uru na ne ni maiti e middle bed edo. Di wan ni mana isu le woni no gini ene. De ke ni mana izebo iye noti mahia lele abi rigbo mahia lele abi iviyo ba mahia lele o imana hia ro ima se mido be di wana ni mana isu na no lala jana ero iwan ni mana isu ni mahia ya gbelegbe bi ma ya gbelegbe ma wa bi na ya si gbe sikoto ado si gbe sikoto ona ga tore la dia awa awu na si yuwuvun oni oyiwan ni masu bo guji ebe ri oni eteme ni gan etime ni mose iyonu wa total e audio voice na iyonu wa kakabo total no wa kakabo listen no kakabo lawa e ho no lawa gbe ni wa o we di won ni mana isu e woni ibi yo ba se wo yan ba o so lo ba iwe ni yan iyan ri egbe ibi igbo ga se wo yan so lo ba iwe iyan ri egbe mane mi do bet na di won ni mana isu na ma si won pa rather ni ma mu gbima ni maria gbima wa ni ma gbele gbima wa image o kaka boda me igi worship video na no o ti ma pa mu ladia maybe wa ka be won ne o but do get we no ja we say salobo ade bai but no be me ade mu e ladia wo gi me no wa na be hon because why e do we o wa kesun neboti charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. Woguji ebe na na ba miewe mana eme ni marita. Oru okwa ni mateve me no teve sikaya no teve gunya be nwanyo mebi kere rutawe awe me gberu wi ma. Oru okwa ni magibe me ni a o governor pa e governor ni ma be ni na eme no tabani because why yin ya no udo. Inya ga ta na udo ni ekini ya na ta ni e ba ni ya si ayi. Oba really eti with the gbefie with here. Any other person you matter by iro no isuru obe ne no hefie me ne ivia usata bi ma ya di bega ni ani swemila. Iya ni himbata. Ana iwa miewe iya ogi kaka ye doni ogi kaka ye bu ni Nigeria ni makana. Wa no me isopoti digbo ni awo yan. Uga nome I support Yoruba ni aworiyan wega ineme wori me ibo do wani me support wori me di wani masu ma esi won ropa rather ni ma mu igbi maria o kaka boda na ibira me vije me ni gan wala wa ni video na wa gumega ekwe kaka habo mu me igi ma ne mi do bet ma mo pa ni ma jiwo rather ni ma si egbi masikoto o yin wani masu edegbe o saloba nya mi ma fra ti ni Jesu Geti ma ya fefe ya keke ye ya ni maliri aje ni ma ya segbi masikoto o eti ni ma me ma eti ni ma kya ya wo ni ma ya tegbi ma wo ni ma ya degba ya ni be gbi na wo wa ni ma be gbina ni ma na bi awon ri ma e kindo e manaki o ma sopo ni ma na ro to tem e ma be o sopo na mewe ma ro to ri ma ba na mewe ma si won ye Rather na muri. Wa agri emena ni muri na wagadamo oga sonuwa wa agri o manje sonuwa wa na ege emena go wa ya wini wala wagumegai wa yobo we ko dona sonuwa wagumegai wage wa ahia wa gai no wa ahia no sobe uru no izedone utagbo na ya keke no ri aje ovira me bijene beni ka yitaba happy Sunday no ovira me bijene wo iguji ebe ni ama onu eme ni memori di wani managi su maname nwaro pani masu ekwe kakabo mu nege na miewe unune o wahena eme na fu owe kokao ya se isenyo gie bari oba de vimani ibia usa o ruponi boguji eberi oni boiguji eberi oni obira mebije me oba sopo no oro obiri oni o suppose netina isani ya fefe ya no leda but odo kaka boda ne obira mebije ne na miewe ime unune wahena eme na fu yoni wagbedoko wa tota no wa ho this audio ni hali no wana wa wesi wala wobo wagunega message na wagunega e video na lao wa mhiage me wage me Instagram wage me Facebook wage me Twitter wa be yatsobo be kume be YouTube OATD Justice TV Twitter mo Only Matthew wala wobo yinu walele me ya fefe ya no wa fi oboye ekpetugena no vonyo obonu wa ya weni eri wa nfua wa to wa ibekbe o obara to obekbe o managa reto ma ibekbe o usalubwa o na igbe aguma ya fefe ya. I come in peace and I shall live in peace. Once again, happy Sunday.
Such level of oppressiveness in our land, such level of frustration in our land, such level of suppression, where in one segment of the nation, blood will flow like water, killings and killers will arrive, level a whole village overnight. In some cases, they will own up that they are the ones who did it for the sake of whatever reasons they claim. Nobody is arrested, nobody is prosecuted, nothing happens, no consequence. In another part of the country, probably the southwest or south or southeast, some people come out for demonstration, and before you know it, people are leveled to the ground. People are arrested. All right? So there is one law for one part and one law for another part. That is the situation we have faced so far, the situation of injustice and inequality. Now you look at the situation with appointments and positionings, and it will appear to you as if intelligent people don't exist in no other part of the country apart from some parts of the country. We have a multi-ethnic country. We have a multilingual country. We have a multi-religious country with two dominant religious bodies in the nation. But if you look at sensitive positionings, whether it's in the executive, in the judiciary, in the legislative, in the military or paramilitary, it appears as if there are no people in any other part of the country. Take a look at this. You have President Northwest Muslim. You have Senate President Northeast Muslim. You have INEC Chairperson Northwest Muslim. You have Speaker of the House of Representatives Southwest Muslim. You have Chief of Air Staff Northeast Muslim. Minister of Defense Muslim North. Chief of Army Staff, Northeast Muslim, Inspector General of Police, North Central Muslim, National Security Advisor, Northeast Muslim, Director, National Intelligence Agency, Muslim North, Director General, SSS, Northwest Muslim, Comptroller General of Immigration, Northwest Muslim, Comptroller General of Customs, North Muslim, Comptroller General of Civil Defense, Muslim North, Comptroller General of Nigeria Immigration Prison Service, Muslim North, Acting Chairman of EFCC, Northeast Muslim, Chief Justice of the Federation, Northeast Muslim, Code of Conduct Head, Muslim, Northeast, Managing Director, Post Authority, Northwest Muslim. NIMASA, not Muslim. NNPC Managing Director, Northeast Muslim. Minister of Education, Northeast Muslim. National Universities Commission, Northwest Muslim. JAMB, Southwest Muslim, and so on and so forth. We can keep on going on and on. Someone has said that the top 20 positionings in NNPC is occupied from the same region as well. What comes to mind is there is no intelligent person and no qualified person from any. There is no intelligent Shekiri person, no intelligent Ijo person, no intelligent Biron person, no intelligent Magavul person, no intelligent Tif person, no intelligent Idoma person, no intelligent Igala person, no intelligent Ibira person, no intelligent Ibibio person, no intelligent Anam person, no intelligent Efik person, no intelligent Ishan person, no intelligent Bini person, no intelligent person from no other part of the country that can be in any of those sensitive positions except people from one region and one religion, and people are meant to be forced to exist in peace under that kind of upside down, highly nepotistic, clanistic. Absolutely impossible. If it was a charm, it cleared. If it was a mentality bankruptcy, mentality is returned. It's impossible. There can be no peace in such level of inequality, in such level of brazen effrontery at taking a whole nation for granted. Nations of the world did not experience one over 100 of what Nigerians have experienced and scattered in pieces. Soviet Union is nowhere to be found. Yugoslavia was one country that scattered and splintered into 8 countries out of one country. Czechoslovakia splitted into 2. They didn't see 1 over 100 of what we are seeing. Nations in the world that are wise enough, that are multi-ethnic, did their best. The United Kingdom, even though it's a nation, has ethnic groups that took care of the ethnic groups and gave regional autonomy to the Scottish, to the Irish, and the Welsh.
Yeah, my people.